For 39, this is a circle where AC is a diameter. So whenever it's a diameter, you would be remembering 90-degree angles on the circumference. Therefore, there's one here. And then if you want to get the other 90-degree angle, you have to make a line. In this case, you'll be making a line joining A and D together. And therefore, the 90 degrees right here. And then the other two things that they gave us in the question is the angle CDF. So CDF is 49 degrees, so this angle here is 49 degrees. And there is also a 31 degrees given at angle CED. All right, so, and the other angle that you can now make up is the angle EDA, which is 180 minus 90 minus 49, which is 41. Okay, and once you see the 49 and 41, you can create two more angles because there are angles in the alternate segments at angle DAC here, which is the same as the 49 degree angle. And there is also another one of 41 degrees right here. Okay, so this angle here makes an alternate angle in the segment, and there's an alternate angle here as well. So this is from the tangent properties. And the other thing that you can now find is if you look at the angle triangle CDE, there is a missing angle right here, but you have got all the other information. You got 31, you got the 41, and then you got 90. So you'll be able to find this small angle right here. So it's 90 minus 41 minus 31, which is 18. And 18, because the whole angle is 41, we can break that angle down by taking off the 41. So 41 minus 18 makes that 23 degrees. And we were also given a condition that the line AB and the line CE are parallel. So we're creating a alternate angle of the 23 on the other side here at BAC. So that's 23 as well. And if you now look at the cyclic quadrilateral, you should know that the opposite sides, the angles always add up to 180. So therefore we can have our final answer that the sum of all these angles should be 180. So therefore, if you do 180 minus the 23 minus the 49, take away the 23 and the 18, you'll end up with the answer of 67, therefore giving you the option D for this question.